Hi everyone. Today we are going to see some of the representation in verilog. First we'll see the logical value. I hope everyone have been crossed about 0, 1, x and z. The same thing we are going to be used in the verilog. So first 0 means it's nothing but it can be called as 0 or logical low or false or ground representation. The next is 1 can be represented as 1 logical high, true and VDD. And x is unknown. It's nothing but your don't care. And that is I impedance and tri-state. So this is nothing but your logical values. It can be represented in verilog. Right? The next is number representation in verilog. So we'll be saying that we'll have the octal, binary and hexadecimal. Just we are going to see how to represent the number in the verilog, right, while we are writing the program. First you have to represent the size, next you have to represent the radix, next you have to represent the value. Size, it's mean that how many number of bits you are going to be used. Radix in the sense it can be a binary or it can be your octal or it can be your hexadecimal or it can be your decimal. The next is value. Value is based on the radix we can write the number or values, right? So whenever you are representing the radix can be represented either in your higher case or the lower case. Just we are going to see some of the examples under your number representation, right? Our first example is just have taken 4-b. The b is representing the binary, that's something but your radix. This is representing your size and they are saying that 4-bit binary number. So how we are going to represent your 4-bit binary? Just I am writing the random number as 1010, right? So 1010 is representing as 10. Just I am representing in binary 4-bit, right? So that's why this is represented as 4-b, a value, right? So this is nothing but your a number representation in verilog. The next example is just I have taken 8-hax. 8 is represented the size. Your size is nothing but number of bits. And h is representing your radix. Your radix is nothing but your, here we are going to use your hexadecimal and your value is ax. So the ax has to be represented in hexa and your number of bits should be your 8. Just see how I am writing. A higher byte is a. So you can write your higher byte as a can be represented in 1010 if it is binary, right? So next is x and x. So this is represented in binary. Just for your understanding I am written this 8 bits, right? Next is 12-bit octal 3zx7. So just I'm going to show you how to write it in binary, right? So how many number of bits have to be represented? 12 bits. This is your octal. So each value should be represented in 3 bits. So we'll start from 3. 3 means 0, 1, 1. 3. Z is 3 bit should be represented by Z. X again 3 bit. And your final is 7. 1, 1, 1, right? So like this way you have to represent the number in a verilog. Thank you.